Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your OS, free storage, and whether you need a second phone number. Next, clear Mobile Legends app data or install a parallel app tool. This isolates the new account. Register using a fresh email, a separate Facebook profile, or the guest option. Each choice affects account recovery later. Once done, verify the in-game name and region to avoid conflicts. Make sure to enable two-step methods, if available, to protect both accounts from lockout. You now complete the detailed creation flow. Enter a unique email and strong password, then choose a display name that follows rules. During setup, skip linking to primary social accounts until you confirm the secondary runs correctly. This prevents accidental merges. Configure app permissions for storage and contacts only as needed and enable cloud sync selectively, balancing safety with separation. Once the account is active, play a quick match to generate profile data and verify matchmaking region and server latency. You finish by linking at least one recovery option and saving credentials securely so you can regain the account if needed. Test logging out and switching between accounts to confirm no cross-save issues. Play several short matches to ensure rewards and progress record correctly. If something goes wrong, start with the key troubleshooting step. Clear app cache/data, then relink authentication or reinstall. If persistent, check region mismatches and ensure the chosen social login isn't already tied to another profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.